going to use a sawzall to cut this piece of the wall. I have to relocate the electrical box, which is this one here. I'm going to move it to the other side. So I'm going to cut it with this tool here. Now this one has a light on it. So I use the same red lithium XC. But this one is a 5 amp. Oh, not 5 amp, 3 amp battery. But this is the older type battery. I'll mark it out. I'll mark it out with the level and then start to cut. I'll lay out the lines here. When you're cutting the sheetrock, you want to cut it between the studs. You want to cut it like right here. Right here and here. So cut down the sheetrock. Because you're gonna use back this piece. You're gonna put back a piece here. You just want to try to get the wire through it. We're going to do some electrical now. So what we want to do, we're going to try and move this wire. This box here, we're going to put this box in here. And then from here now, we're going to move the wire to this side. So this right here is going to be the new spot for the switches. Okay, so we're
gonna do the wires today.
This is hot. This is hot. This is cold. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect some wires so we can run out from here to the other side.
That's cold.
So we're gonna move the switch. Yeah, this is cold, cold, hot, hot. I connected some of the wires. So I moved the box up and I clipped the wires. So this one here is the power wire. This here is for the lights. And this here is for the other receptacles. So I'll just hook this up, and then I have these two here. That's going to go through here. And it's going to be the new switch. So I'll put the new switch on the other side here. This is the new box I just put in. So use this here to cut it out like this. Okay, I put in one switch. So I moved the switch from this part here, right? And I moved it back to over here. Okay, so the switch is working. And I connect just a few wires. I have some more wires. left to connect. Let me show you the panel box, or part where I connected all the wires. Okay, so this is the box here where I made the connection. Let me show you how these wires work. Okay, so this one here is the neutral. The neutral. This wire here is the hot, and this wire here is the hot. This here goes to the other receptacles. This one here is the power wire, to the outlet located over there, and this here is the light wire that runs to the top over there. So these connectors are good. You just snap them in and they do a good job. But the countertop is going to go up here.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to put it like...
You have to talk louder, Dad. They can't hear you.
Oh yeah? They can't hear me?
No.
Ah, I'll put the countertop up here.
Yeah?
So I'll put this so many inches below the countertop. So that way... I can't talk louder than I should. I mean, that's my normal voice.
Oh.
That's my normal voice.
I didn't have that on the ceiling. Oh, that's from when the water sprayer. Oh,
What?
that's from when the water sprayer. Because I didn't have those things on the ceiling.
Oh, so you want the water sprayer?
No, that's when the water sprayed up. When the valve.
Oh yeah, that was me. That's not pre-drill this hole here.
Hold up 1 second on the camera.
Yeah, it's not pre-drill it because the stud got my. Where's my drill?
Right there.
Oh. It's not pre-drill it.
It's me. You know? Dad, you have to show them the drill.
Oh, this here?
Yeah. Look.
This is a see? You can just take it out like this. When you put it on, you just go like this here. Pull it back. And then let it lock. Good? I speak too low? These are some of the outlet boxes that I put in. Let's take a look at them. This is going to be for the microwave. This box here. This is for a closet on the other side. This is for the toaster oven. And this here is for the under cabinet lighting. So this under cabinet lighting is going to go straight here. And then it's going to stop here. So it's going to be like an LED strip. You just put that, and I'm going to run a switch from here up through here, through these holes here. Down to this box here. So you can control the on-off switch on the under cabinet light. Here you guys. Just took out some sheetrock. Almost finished with the electrical. So I'll show you guys some stuff here. Let's take a look.